Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to do a very simple makeup look, so just watch me while I do my thing. So firstly, I am going to clean my face with the Body Silk Natural Face Cleanser. This is my branded face cleanser, guys. Then I'm going to moisturize my face with the gold serum. So guys, if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please click on that subscription button showing on the screen now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell also so you get notified when I drop a new video. So as you can see, after moisturizing my face, I applied my oil block and I'll just be dabbing it with my beauty blender. Then I'm going to spray my I'm going to be using two foundation shades for this look because I want my under eye to be a little bit brighter. So I'm going to use two foundation. One is my shade, the other one is lighter than I am. So just watch me while I apply this foundation. So before you want to apply a foundation, make sure you wet your beauty blender so that it is easy for you to apply. But if you're using a brush, you don't need to wet your brush. No, don't wet your brush. So as you can see, I'm applying the other foundation under my eye so that the under eye can pop well. So just watch me while I blend. Okay guys, so there are a couple of my videos that have recently been getting a lot of views and a lot of questions about some of my skincare videos. So if you have any skincare video that you haven't watched on this channel, please pause this particular video and go and watch them, or you can just watch this when I come back. Okay guys, so I'm going to be applying my concealer. So I'm using the Glam Girls concealer. I am going to be applying this particular shade just on my below, that's my jaw, my eyebrows, and then on my forehead. So I'm going to blend again with my beauty blender like this. So I just want to say this: if you are in Nigeria, please, we all need to get on our knees and pray. The violence still continues. The violence from October last year still continues, and you know it's not easy being Nigerian. Everything is like so messed up and so hard. We do not have the best of the government. We don't even know who. So if you are in Nigeria and you are doing anything, please make sure it's worth your while. Make sure it's something that makes you happy, because the massacre, the killings, the unwarranted arrest, the police harassment is real. Okay, if you're going on the road and you'll be harassed and detained by a police officer or probably killed and then announced missing. So please, if you're doing anything, be careful. If you're going anywhere, be careful. Mind how you relate with these people. They could be dangerous. You understand me? So basically that's what I have to say about what's going on right now. And if you know how to pray, please pray for Nigeria. Please, if you're in this country, also pray for yourself too. So back to our makeup look. As you can see, I am drawing my brows with the classic makeup pencil. So I really love using this pencil because it is very easy to work with. It doesn't break and it's super vivid. Okay, if you want a more detailed tutorial on how to draw your brows, I have some videos, a couple of videos on my YouTube channel. There's one shown on your screen now. You could easily just watch the video after you've seen this one. Okay, now I'll be highlighting my brows. So I'll be taking the concealer again for my Glam Girls concealer palette just to outline my brows and make it pop and precise. Now it's time for the favorite part of this look, which is the eyeshadow. So I'll be using those two eyeshadow colors. The first one as a transition, then the other darker one, which is an orange shade. I'm just going to use that to darken the outer corner of my eyes, like I'm doing right now. Then I'm going to go over with a fluffy brush and just brush the whole of the eyeshadow together to avoid harsh lines. Then for this look, I did a little bit extra. Then I went with my concealer, took a little bit of my concealer. Then I just cut a crease, half crease at the inner corner of my eye. Then I took a very light shade of foundation and I dabbed it to that particular area just to give the eye a little bit of color and pop. Yes guys, if you love what you see, if you love this look, please don't forget to like this video and share this video to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel also. You'll be doing this channel a huge favor by subscribing and turning your notifications on. And if you recreate this look, let us know how simple it was or how you really loved this look and what you love about this look exactly. If you've watched this video so far, thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and I really hope you enjoyed it. To complete this makeup look, I'm going to add as much glue as it needs. So guys, we are done, and this is what the look looks like after we finished. You know, I look super chic. Like, look at the attitude, girl. Alright, so if you still love this look, subscribe to my channel and see you all in my next video. Bye.